Hi, my name is Muneeb Ahmed and I am proud to be a graduate from Diploma in Information Technology at ZABTech Faculty Shaheed Benazirabad, batch 57. Today I am pursuing my undergraduation in Industrial Engineering and Management from IU International University of Applied Science, Bonn campus, Germany, and also working as a student employee as a supervisor at a World Conference Center Bonn with an event organizing company. During the program, I have learned so many things from basic to upper intermediate level in web development, graphic designing, MS Office, SQL, and so much more. These are the essential skills for me to achieve my goal to come to Germany and study in international university. This is still helped me a lot also in my professional and academic journey, like making an assignment, presentation to building the project and execution of project I could be proud of. I am very grateful to the best ZABTech Shaheed Benazirabad for laying the foundation which helped me a lot in both personally and professionally.